40 foot of water, and evidently there are bass blowing up.
That's a bait fall underneath me. It certainly looks like it. Yes, 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 yes. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, baby. Thank you. I'm shaking. Oh. Calm down. Okay. No. Calm down. Calm down. Come on.
All right. That's not gonna good. There you go. First one. Not a big one, but I just bought this too. Real deep. Wow. This is crazy. No etiquette. Yeah, no kidding. This water level is crazy.
Right? I think it would make the fish easier to catch.
You would think. All the spots I marked are dry land, so good luck.
Thanks, you too.
Where's that beaver up there? Saw him earlier.
What's going on?
Way back here.
What's that?
What are you doing way back here?
I've been around half the lake at this point.
6 meters?
One.
We got 3 dinks.
Yeah.
I got a bunch of 5 inchers.
Really? I've only had one bite, one fish. I think I threw it in its mouth because as soon as it hit the water, I was hooked up, and I can't figure out a pattern for them.
You launched right over there by Sunbury Road on there, right on there. Something.
Yeah, there was a couple of us over there, but
about 7 of us over here.
well, that whole side of the lake is there's no water. It's like 1 or 2 feet everywhere.
Over here either.
Oh, it's worse.
This bait's got some.
Well, I caught one all the way up in the first pool, but then the crappie boats are just everywhere.
Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. No! Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh. I don't know.
What's going on? Yeah, I'm with you. We got all these different places in Ohio. Like, hey, I know. Let's pick the place that has no water in October.
It's crazy how shallow it is.
Every spot I've researched all year is above
Yeah.
is above water.
Yeah,
I got-
planned on hitting all the little nooks and crannies in here, and they're all it's just 20 feet deep. That's
Yep.
all you get.
It's like it's totally not my style of fishing.
Me either.
I can't.
That's why I switched to. I just been throwing around a glide bait just because it's fun.
Yeah. I mean, you might as well at that point. I caught 2.
That's what
Well,
I've got.
I caught 1, and I had a second one right to the boat and just popped off. This year, I don't know what's happening. I've lost 4 or 5 fish on a bladed jig, when before I don't think I ever lost one.
Yeah.
And this year, for whatever reason, they're
Popping off.
brand new out of the box. They shouldn't be. That's like one of the hardest lures for them to spit. And this little 12-incher spit it somehow. I don't know.
I did catch.
No, that is unfortunate. Dude, I about jumped in the lake when I lost that last one.
I'm so over catching 10-inch bass.
I'd take one of those right now. I just want to catch something. Driving 2.5 hours to catch one 14.5-inch bass is not my idea of a good time.
Probably pretty close to the limit of crappie.
You need to start bringing a stringer for these tournaments.
I need to. Like, this would have picked a better lake for the camping. I thought about it. I don't feel like retying another rock. so burnt out.
Yeah, I don't know how much more I can reel. My legs are also shot.